watch the full breakdown. Please subscribe.
Inside BYD's advanced manufacturing facility, one of the world's most technologically advanced electric supercars is
Alignment is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Proceed with welding sequence 7.
Lower it slowly, just another 2 inches.
Okay, looks aligned on this side.
Perfect, lock it in.
Ensure the high voltage interlock is secure before we finalize the connections.
The alignment is spot on according to the specs.
Roger that. Finalizing the torque sequence now. The readout is stable.
The rear left camber is still off. Let's adjust it by half a degree.
Applying torque now. Confirmed, alignment is optimal.
The metallic blue application is flawless. Gloss reading is excellent.
Confirmed. We are clear for the next stage.
The unified interface is fully operational.
Confirmed. All vehicle parameters are nominal.
The torque vectoring module initialized correctly at line 402.
Confirmed. All systems are showing green now. We are good to disconnect.
The temperature differential is stable now.
Okay, let's move to the voltage regulator sensors next.
The real-time diagnostics confirm the acceleration response is perfect.
And the braking stability holds up on the wet track.
We found a scratch here near the wheel arch. Logging it now.
Okay, I'll buff that out. Check the trim alignment when you're done.
System verification testing shows comprehensive examination of all vehicle systems, including electrical, mechanical, and
Monitor the thermal data closely.
Driver, increase speed to 150. How are the temps looking?
Stable, pushing harder now.
Diagnosed green status accord.
Mechanical system inspection complete. All components operating smoothly. Specifications met. Safety requirements achieved. All systems verified.
We missed a spot on the vent here. Okay, perfect. The interior is verified and ready for delivery.
Ensure all quality records are attached to the manufacturing details.
Yes, the system shows everything is complete. Just finalizing the scan for the archive.
From raw materials to the finished product, our state-of-the-art facility transforms metal into motion with unparalleled efficiency.
Heritage. Quality certification documentation shows official verification that the completed vehicle meets all design standards.
Our energy management systems ensure optimal power use, and the waste streams are fully traceable.
Supply chain and sourcing verification shows documentation of component sourcing and supplier quality, ensuring all components meet standards.
The Yangwang U9 production line represents the pinnacle of manufacturing innovation, utilizing advanced robotic automation and precision control.
Now, initiate the automated cycle from the HMI panel. Ensure the tolerances remain stable. Initiating now. All parameters are nominal. Look at the efficiency metrics. The optimized flow is handling the variants seamlessly.
And component tracking confirms we met the timelines.
The results speak for themselves. Optimized processes, reduced waste, and significant cost savings.
We've prioritized this based on the recent quality observations.
The robotic arm is now adapted to the new specifications.
Industry recognition and awards documentation, showing awards and recognition received for manufacturing excellence, innovation, and quality.
Our commitment to continuous advancement is clear. These next-generation technologies demonstrate the innovation.
The final checks on the U9 are complete.
The global team really pulled this off. It looks incredible. We have achieved something great here. Our AI-driven quality systems ensure unparalleled precision, integrating seamlessly with the advanced robotics on the line.
By focusing on environmental, social, and economic factors, we demonstrate a holistic commitment to sustainable practices.
Being part of the U9 team is incredible.
This is the best car we've ever built.
The technology here is revolutionary, the quality is unmatched.
A competitive comparison reveals the truth. Through relentless innovation, the Yangwang U9 demonstrates clear technological leadership and competitive strength.
The positioning strategy is perfect. We've maximized the impact.
Absolutely. This launch demonstrates true marketing excellence.
Everything looks great on the diagnostic report. We've ensured all systems are optimized.
That's wonderful news. It's such a relief to know everything is optimized.
The efficiency metrics on the closed-loop system show a 20% reduction in water use this quarter.
The stress test data confirms the material's resilience.
Absolutely. This breakthrough validates the entire project's vision.
From raw material to the final gleam, our commitment to excellence drives every step. This is the future of manufacturing, delivered today.